Guys, if you love daffodils as much as I do, you're gonna love this poem that I wrote. I absolutely love flowers, and daffodils are actually one of my favorites. They bring me so much cheer in my garden from midwinter through early spring, and this poem is just an expression of all of that, along with a little of their life cycle as well. If this is your first time here, my name is Marlene, and this is Marlene's How To's, my home and garden channel. I just wanted to say welcome to everyone that's watching. And right now I'm going to go ahead and start reading my little poem for you, The Daffodils, and I hope you like it. It was a cold and dreary winter day, and so I decided inside I would not stay. So I went in my garden and looked all around, and you will never guess what awaited me on the ground. A wonderful patch of daffodils. Such joy and glee my heart they filled. Bobbing their heads in the breeze they did sway. Oh, this has turned out to be such a lovely winter day. To enjoy these beauties, my friend, you have to plant them long before autumn ends. They don't ask for much, just a little of your time. Buy them in bulk, and it saves you quite a few dimes. Be sure to plant them in a sunny spot, whether you're planting them in beds or in flower pots. They go to sleep beneath the ground, and then in a few weeks the leaves pop up without a sound. Perhaps near the ocean or in a meadow somewhere. These little darlings will bring you such cheer. Enjoy them indoors or outdoors. Their fragrance is sweet, such a pleasant surprise from these little treats. Parting, my friends, can be bittersweet. But at least I know next year they will repeat. They will come back with lots more flowers long before the April showers. They may be called daffodils, jonquils, or narcissus. Whichever you use, they are such a blessing to us. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. And remember that I do lots of gardening, and sometimes I'll arrange some fresh flowers for you. So if you want to catch up on all of that, be sure to hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell twice so you'll never miss an upload. I do live videos most Saturdays, and those are freestyle. So I hope you enjoyed this. It was inspired by my older brother, W.W.W. I hope you like it, brother. And guys, enjoy these wonderful flowers whenever you can, and try to plant some as well. You can check out my videos, and you can see I'll link one at the end to show you exactly how I did it. Take care and have a wonderful day.